Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to fix the control key not working on Windows, so you can actually get back to using shortcuts like normal. So first, simply try restarting your laptop because sometimes a simple reboot actually resolves keyboard glitches. Now another thing you can also try is simply clean your keyboard. So dust, crumbs or any debris under your keys can actually stop the key from registering. So use compressed air or gently tap the key to dislodge anything stuck. Now if it's still not working, you can also try updating or reinstalling your keyboard driver. So to do this, simply press Windows plus X, then go to Device Manager, then Keyboards. From here, you will then have to right-click your keyboard and choose Update Driver. So if that doesn't help, you can also try uninstalling it, then restart your PC. So Windows will then reinstall the driver automatically. Alright, so that's how to fix the control key on Windows. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.